Welcome to the It Really Works Vitamins channel. 3 times per week, I share the best nutrition to block DHT and encourage natural, healthy hair growth, all of which have been backed up by scientific research. I also love to share DIY hair growth masks, homemade scalp exfoliant scrubs, as well as the best essential oils that can enhance hair growth. So check out our videos and subscribe! My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. I also regularly hold a Q&A where I answer all your hair loss related questions. So DM us on Instagram, we're at It Really Works Vitamins, with any hair or scalp related questions that you have. And check out my brand at itreallyworksvitamins.com. We're officially Shortlist Magazine's best hair regrowth product for men, and Forbes have listed us as the best nutrition innovation 2019 and 18. I can't wait to see you every Monday, Wednesday and Sunday. See you soon. Bye! Also, don't forget to pick up your free ebook, Everything You Need to Know About Blocking DHT, from itreallyworksvitamins.com. The book includes a recipe for a homemade scalp exfoliant and the best foods and drinks that help to block DHT and regrow your hair. The link is in the description below.